It's been the richest, most fantastic experience I could have imagined. I've enjoyed every single moment of it. It's a really special place. I've never worked with a team like this. I'd never want to work with any other team. And there's just so much life that we've lived together as a team over those 12 years. This now just feels like an extension of my family, every single person that I work with here. And I love them all the same way, really. My name's Brian. I'm the Managing Director at Dishoom. I laugh most days when I see Kavi remembering a time when we opened up a crazy beach bar called Dishoom Chapati Beach, and Kavi decided to do a little bit of the disassembly himself and pulled his sink off the wall, creating a massive flood, and having to stand there for 10 minutes with his fingers stuck in the wall to stop the water pouring in while we find a way to turn it off. I started 12 years ago as operations director. Sean and I were pounding the streets, trying to tell people that breakfast in an Indian restaurant was a great proposition and they should come and join us. And now, it's one of the most legendary parts of our day. It's a place that just inspires me and means that I've never had one of those Monday morning feelings in 12 years coming to work at Dishoom.